Hello and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I purchased the Videomic Go II from Rode yesterday and it arrived today. So yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing, see what's in the box and what we get. I purchased this one to be more of a vlog style microphone. I have the, what is it, NTG 4 Plus, I think. It's a larger one with battery on site and it's a bit clunky when you just want to shoot a quick video or do some running around with the camera. It's a normal sized or large sized shotgun mic that's really handy in studio environments, but a bit less when you're just running around with a camera, vlogging or something else. So that's why I bought this one, and we're gonna see what's in the box. I broke the seal already just to make it easier to unbox. So yeah, I have a second camera up here. That's the DJI Action 2. So that's going to be this alternating shot. So let's see. It's amazing what they can do with cardboard boxes these days. It's these weird constructions to transport it safely. Let's see. Let's open this one. Okay. It's upside down. And as far as I can see, that's everything already. So let's take a look. It's a bag of silica gel. The regulatory and safety guide. This is the microphone itself with the foam on top. This is also a nice upgrade. It's USB-C, so I really like that. And it has a 3.5mm audio jack port. This is the quality check, I think. Remove that. And that's it. Very small microphone compared to my hand. So yeah. And then we have the vibration reduction holder. I don't know how to call it. All high quality. This is metal. These wheels are metal. The bottom plate is also metal. And there's some rubber grommets to hold some cables in between them. So yeah, as I would expect from Rode, just high quality materials, and that's why I also like their product so much. And there's a single very thin 3.5mm jack cable. Yeah. And I think that's everything that's in the box. I really like this box design. Yeah, it protects the products really nicely and it's easy to get rid of because you can all collapse it and fold it flat. So I always like it when brands go the extra mile to think about the environment and also usability. So. Yeah, that's everything that's in the box already. 2-year warranty, highly directional, 3.5mm TRS output, digital USB output, and iPhone and Android compatible. Haven't really used any microphone with my phone yet, but I think I can test that out, maybe in a different video. My idea is to use it with my Nikon Z6 for, as mentioned before, more vlog style on-the-go videos, where I can go with a bit less audio quality than studio quality and a bit lighter setup to just run around with. So that was it, very quick unboxing video. yeah, let me know if there's anything you'd like to know about this microphone. From now on out, I'll use it more and more, test it out, make some videos with it. So if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section and I'll maybe can answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my future content. And for now, thank you for watching and have a very nice day.